Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken liver pate step by step. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh chicken livers, a generous amount of unsalted butter, and some aromatic vegetables like shallots and garlic. Don't forget a splash of good quality brandy or port wine to enhance the flavor profile. This simple dish is perfect for entertaining or a special treat. Next, we'll start cooking. Melt a tablespoon of butter in a pan over medium heat. Add your finely diced shallots and minced garlic, cooking until they're fragrant and translucent, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, add the chicken livers and cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, just until they're lightly browned but still a little pink inside. Deglaze the pan with your chosen spirit. Now for the magic. Carefully transfer the cooked livers, shallots, garlic, and any pan juices into a food processor. Add about 1 stick of softened, unsalted butter, cut into pieces. Process the mixture until it's incredibly smooth and creamy, scraping down the sides as needed. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of nutmeg to elevate the flavors. Taste and adjust as desired. Finally, it's time to chill and set your pate. Press the smooth mixture into a small ramekin or terrine dish, ensuring there are no air pockets. For a beautiful finish and to preserve freshness, pour a thin layer of melted butter over the top. Cover it tightly and refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight, until it's firm. Serve with crusty bread or crackers and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.